For numbers 14 and 16, writing these expressions as a single log, the first thing we want to do is we want to remember our properties. We've got the product rule, quotient rule, and the power rule. And we notice here we have a minus sign, so we have the difference of two logs. We can't combine these with this number in front of the log. So we want to use our power rule, and we want to move that k to the power position. So remember, when we have a product, we can rewrite the product as a power. So we keep log of 5 the same, and then k times the log of 2 means we have the log of 2 to the k. We can rewrite it as log of 2 to the k. Now we have the logs, we have the difference of logs, and when we have the difference of logs, we know that's the log of the quotient. So we can rewrite both of these logs as log of the quotient. The first one, the first argument, is the numerator, and the second argument is the denominator. And that's it, log of 5 over 2 to the k. For the second one, we notice that we don't have any numbers in front of the logs, so we can go ahead and use in this case, we're going to use the property that says if we have the sum of the logs, we can write that as the log of the product. So we call it the product rule. So we're going to just take 3 logs and we're going to combine it down to 2 logs. And so we have x times y as the argument in the first log, and we still keep the log base 7 of z. And then we notice that we have 2 logs, same base, and we combine the 2 logs. We have the difference of logs, and so that means that we have the log of the quotient. So the log base 7 of xy over z. Now we have rewritten those two expressions in 14 and 16 as a single log.